Okay, let's dive into a story about a cosmic speed limit that seemed totally unbreakable. For more than 100 years, this was the universal speed limit, period. And this isn't some crazy new thought. It's the conclusion of a huge, century-long debate. Yeah, the guy who set the speed limit was the first one to see a problem with it. See, his whole view of reality was built on this simple, common sense idea called locality. For him, locality was everything. It's what keeps cause and effect in the right order. But as Einstein dug into its rules, he found something that really freaked him out. He found a quantum connection that seemed to break his rule, calling it spooky action at a distance. But other physicists, they basically said, the math works, so we just gotta live with the weird. The crazy part? You measure one, you instantly know about the other, even light years away. So two big ideas popped up to explain what in the world was going on. For decades, it was just talk, a philosophical staring match with no way to test it. Then this guy, physicist John Bell, came along and figured out how to get an answer. His test was brilliant. It all came down to one thing, measuring the disagreement rate. Because Bell proved the two theories predicted totally different numbers you could actually measure. If Einstein's local view was right, the results would disagree at least a third of the time. But if the spooky quantum view was right, the rate would be lower, exactly 25%. The test was on. And when they ran the experiment, the results came back again and again, right around 25%. The results were undeniable. Einstein's common sense picture of reality was wrong. So what's the takeaway? This spookiness isn't some bug in the system. It's a feature. But is there any way to save Einstein's idea? Well, maybe. There's one last, wild idea. It's called the many worlds interpretation. Basically, every measurement splits the whole universe. In this view, there's no spooky link because both outcomes just happen in different worlds. So that leaves us with a pretty huge question. One spooky universe or countless local ones?